Hi there, I'm Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and today we're going to go over on making sure to select the right frame for your Rancilio Rocky grinder when the frame separates from the body in the rear. And basically what happens is, you see the two frames here, okay, and this frame is missing screw-in portions because it cracked in shipping. And typically you'll know that is when you see a separation right here on the body. You'll see that, and the grinder separates. The rear body panel separates from the frame of the grinder. So if you look here, this one has two screw holes on each side, okay, and this is a normally perfect frame that's not damaged, and this one is damaged. Now the difference is that you need to pay really close attention to before you order the frame for the Rancilio Rocky is the configuration of the frame. So doser, doserless, and within those the different configurations. And what I mean by that, if you look at the two frames here, this one has two large holes and dimples below it. This one has two large holes and two medium-sized holes here. So there's two different frames here for the same grinder, and there could be even other versions. So sometimes what you need to look, and here's the two doser sections of the doser model, and here you have a large hole and a small hole that's threaded. Here you have two dimples and small holes that are threaded. And if you look, this one with the dimples is, since there's four, is going to go with the 4-hole, okay, frame, and then the screw bolts in the back hold the doser in place. On the other one, where you have two holes, okay, now this one also has 4 holes, I'm sorry, 2 holes here. This one is going to have the dimples openings and then the screw holes, and then you put the bolts on the back. So the point here is, before you order the frame, please make sure to take the doser off, check the frame. If it's a doserless, double check the frame to see how many holes you have and where the dimples are, and then match that to the exact frame on our website, because there is more than one version. So please remember to do that before ordering so you don't make a mistake and delay the repair of your Rocky grinder. We hope this video was helpful for you. Give us a thumbs up below. If you have any questions, please ask below, or follow us on that side, clicking the link on there to follow us. Thank you very much and have a great day. Coffee first and everything else after.